Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Tandem is probably one of the most sought-after and versatile products on the market today, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendly design that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for an upgrade or a beginner stepping into a new hobby, the Tandem promises to deliver an exceptional experience that stands out from the competition. Its innovative features and robust construction make it a reliable companion for all your needs, ensuring you get the most value and performance possible. Number 5. Tandem Sport Volleyball Elbow Pads. Dive for every ball with confidence. These elbow pads are designed to shield you from painful floor burns and bruises, keeping you in the game. Experience peak performance without the bulk. Our pads offer essential protection while ensuring your agility and speed are never compromised. Join the ranks of champions. These are the same elbow pads trusted by Olympic, college, high school, and club athletes. After the game, simply toss them in the washing machine. Lay them flat to dry, and they'll be ready for your next match. Since 1989, Tandem Sport has been dedicated to providing top-quality sports gear. Trust our experience for your protection. What we like. These elbow pads offer superior protection against floor burns and bruises, crucial for intense volleyball matches. Their non-bulky design ensures you can perform at your best without feeling restricted. If you're a dedicated volleyball player looking for reliable protection that won't hinder your agility, these are the perfect choice. What people say. I love these arm pads. They are comfortable, they fit snug, not too tight though, and they do not slide up when you dive. Very durable and don't rip easily. They also have a lot of padding to keep those elbows safe. They look nice and are nice. These Tandem elbow pads are excellent. They fit comfortably, provide great protection, and stay in place during play. Super durable and lightweight. My kid barely notices that she's wearing them while playing, but they give her the confidence to dive and hit without worry. A must-have for any volleyball player. Washes well in the washer and dryer, very durable. Best brand of elbow pads I have tried. They are durable and offer the right level of protection for indoor volleyball players. Number 4. Tandem Pump Screen Protectors for Slim Insulin Pump. Introducing our premium screen protectors, specifically designed for your Tandem Diabetes Care Slim Insulin Pump. Keep your device safe from scratches and daily wear. Enjoy an unobstructed view of your pump screen. These protectors offer crystal clear visibility without compromising touch sensitivity. Applying the protector is a breeze. Achieve a perfect, bubble-free fit in just a few simple steps. Built to last, our screen protectors provide robust defense against everyday damage. Ensure your pump stays in pristine condition. Precision cut to fit your Slim Insulin Pump flawlessly. It's the essential accessory for every user. Gain peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Focus on managing your diabetes with confidence. What we like. This screen protector is specifically designed for the Tandem Diabetes Care Slim Insulin Pump, ensuring a perfect fit. It provides essential protection against scratches and impacts, keeping your device in top condition. If you own a Slim Insulin Pump and want to safeguard its screen, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. Perfect size for my insulin pump. Our 9-year-old boy is AT1D and hard on his poor pump. I have no doubt these protectors have saved us from multiple cracked screens. No impact on the touch sensitivity of the pump screen. Number 3. Camco Trailer Aid Plus RV Tire Ramp. Need to change a trailer tire? This ramp provides an impressive 512-inch lift, giving you the extra clearance you need for routine maintenance. Forget about unloading your cargo. This accessory lets you change a flat tire without removing horses or other items, saving you valuable time and effort. Built from strong yet lightweight polymer, it's waterproof and rust-proof. This ensures durable and reliable performance for all your tire changing needs. It can withstand up to 15,000 pounds, providing excellent support during tire changes and maintenance tasks. Please check compatibility for your specific trailer. Weighing just 8 pounds, it's easy to carry by hand. Its compact and lightweight design also ensures effortless storage when not in use. What we like. This ramp offers a substantial 512-inch lift, making tire changes on tandem axle trailers and RVs significantly easier. You can change a flat without having to unload your cargo, saving you valuable time and effort. If you frequently travel with a trailer or RV and want a robust, convenient solution for tire maintenance, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The ramp worked perfectly and I had the new tire on the trailer in 15 minutes. Later in the day, I caught a second tire on the trailer down to threads and used the ramp again to change out tires at a truck stop. Keep in mind you need at least a dual axle trailer for this to work and have a spare tire to swap to. This worked exactly, and I mean exactly as advertised. Made changing the flat I had very quick, around 5 to 7 minutes. No messing with a jack, just pull it out, place it in front of or behind the good tire and slowly drive up. No slipping. It's effective in lifting one tire even though the suspension is articulating. It is also much more stable than a hydraulic jack under an axle. I highly recommend this ramp for travel trailer use. Number 2. Tandem Diabetes Care 6-foot USB Cable. Introducing our robust USB cable, designed for longevity. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use. Keep your device powered up wherever you go. This cable offers versatile charging, compatible with all Tandem pumps. Effortlessly sync your pump data to the T-Connect software. Transferring your information has never been easier. Save time with rapid data synchronization. It supports high speeds for quick and efficient data transfer. This accessory is designed for your convenience. Its compact and portable nature makes it easy to use and store on the move. What we like. This USB cable provides a generous 6-foot length, offering flexibility when charging or syncing your Tandem pump. It supports fast data transfer speeds, allowing for quick synchronization with your T-Connect software. If you need a durable and convenient cable for charging and data management on the go, this is an ideal option. What people say. The Tandem pump is a great option for those who want to manage their diabetes. It is very easy to use and has a lot of features that make it a good choice for people with diabetes. The Tandem pump is a reliable and accurate device that can help you manage your diabetes. Number 1. Tandem Sport Joust Beach Skins. Introducing the Joust Beach Skins from Tandem Sport. Designed to keep your feet protected and comfortable during any beach activity. Enjoy your beach day without worry. These socks offer excellent protection for your feet against both heat and cold. Focus on your game, not on your feet. They provide the comfort you need to play sand soccer, beach volleyball, or any outdoor sport without discomfort. The robust neoprene sole is built to shield your feet from hot sand, chilly temperatures, and sharp objects you might encounter. Crafted with breathable, 4-way stretch lycra, they effectively keep unwanted sand and dirt out while ensuring comfort. Trust in quality sports gear. Tandem Sport has been a trusted name in sports equipment since 1989. What we like. These beach socks offer excellent protection for your feet, shielding them from hot sand, cold surfaces, and sharp objects thanks to their neoprene sole. The breathable lycra material keeps sand and dirt out while ensuring comfort during play. If you enjoy beach sports like volleyball or soccer and want to protect your feet while staying comfortable, these are a great choice. What people say. The Tandem pump is a great option for those who want a tubeless setup, as it integrates seamlessly with tubeless tires and rims. Its innovative design allows for easy tire mounting and inflation, making it a convenient tool for cyclists. The pump's durable construction ensures it can withstand rough handling and frequent use, making it a reliable choice for any cyclist. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.